If you want to see how I achieve this layer cut bob, then you're going to want to keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. Today we're doing something very exciting today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect symmetrical bob. This is great for someone with fine hair, or maybe someone who's just looking to get something different. I want you guys to keep watching as I get started. You want to make sure you're cutting on freshly clean hair. So right now what we're doing is we're starting in the crown area, making a middle parting all the way to the occipital bone. Right when we stop by the occipital bone, we're going to begin with our triangle parting in the nape area. And basically this is just going to help with the weight and being able to begin our guide to be able to get that nice beautiful bob shape. Depending on your preference, you can do a guide with shears or you can do a razor. Today I chose to do a razor because I love the freedom of the razor and to give it a little bit more movement, versus with the shears you may have a little bit more weight on the ends. However, there is other techniques to be able to manipulate your shears to eliminate that weight. But if this is your first time, then I probably would recommend going ahead and do shears and then graduating up to a razor. Now I'm going to go in with my shears and I'm going to begin point cutting, starting at a 45-degree angle and working my way all the way around the crown. Now that I'm completed with adding in our layers, I'm going in and blow drying the hair. If you have a preference, you can also round brush. Once the hair is completely dry, we're going to go ahead and begin with styling. Now that the hair is completely dry, this is the perfect time to check your cut. You want to make sure that everything is symmetrical and everything is where you want it to be placed, as in frame to the face. Right now, what we're doing is that we're adding in heat protectant, and I'm going to go ahead and start in the nape area and begin flat ironing.